Want to know how to make your YouTube Shorts go viral in 2024? Imagine thousands of views, new subscribers, and fast growth. In today's video, we're sharing powerful tips to get your shorts in front of a massive audience. Let's start with the key to success: understanding the algorithm. YouTube pushes shorts that capture attention instantly. Those first 3 seconds matter. Grab viewers with something exciting or surprising so they're hooked from the start. Another trick? Use trending topics. Browse what's popular and make it your own. Adding a unique twist to trending challenges or themes can make your content stand out, catching the eyes of both viewers and the algorithm. Now don't skip on hashtags and keywords. Use relevant tags and include keywords in your title and description. This helps YouTube show your shorts to the right people, boosting your chances of going viral. Short and sweet is the name of the game. Keep your shorts under 15 seconds for the best engagement. Quality visuals, good lighting, and clear sound make viewers more likely to watch till the end and engage. And finally, don't forget to ask viewers to like, comment, or subscribe. This engagement signals YouTube to push your video to more people, helping it gain even more traction. Follow these tips, and you'll be well on your way to creating viral YouTube Shorts in 2024. Remember, it's all about strategy, creativity, and staying consistent. Let's get those views